What's up, guys? Bob with Backcountry Daily here, and this little buddy left me stranded the other day. So I was out. I decided to go do a trail by myself. I didn't tell anybody, and I hopped onto this thing and just kind of took off. And I ran into some jeepers, really nice guys. Met up with them at a trailhead. They were getting ready to do the trail, so I introduced myself, told them I lived down the street, that kind of thing. And then I hit it, and the quad ended up dying on me. I believe it's a fuel pump because it happened about 40 miles ago, and it was under warranty. So Polaris came, picked it up from my house. They replaced it already once. It threw me for a loop because I did a lot of troubleshooting. The fuel pump actually comes on. The issue is it doesn't have enough fuel pressure, so it only puts out like 20 psi instead of close to 50 that it needs to run. So now, I don't know if it's because of the gas in California, because of the ethanol, or is it because of just, I don't know, the nature of the factory fuel pumps that are crap. So I picked up Kemso fuel pump from eBay, and this is a Japanese-made fuel pump. And in the data sheet, it actually says that it's designed to be used with ethanol gas. So seems really well built. Comes with all the little accessories with it, little gaskets, O-rings, a filter, a high pressure line, and I don't really have any instructions on how to install it. I did watch a couple of YouTube videos, and basically you just have to take all the plastics off the front, and the fuel pump is somewhere around there. And you pull it out, and it's the whole sending unit and the float and everything. So then you basically have to remove the fuel pump out of it and pop this one in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop all these plastics off and see how far I get. And then I'll update you guys along the way, and let's see if we can get this sucker running. Alright guys, the next day here. This is how far I got last night. Got all the plastics off. And here is fuel pump right underneath this thing. So I just disconnected the wire. Now I'm going to disconnect the fuel line that's right there, and then we'll get that sucker out and we'll put her on the workbench and then kind of go from there. And there she is, boys and girls. Well, we're about to swap it out, see what happens. Alright, I set up a table outside. Fumes are just killing me. I got my Kemso. So look at this. It says Polaris. I don't know if you guys could see it. I'm using my cheap ass phone. Polaris Bosch, made in China. No wonder it crapped out. Kemso, good as hell, made in Japan. Alright, I'm gonna, basically the fuel pump's in here. I have to discombobulate this and unsolder these wires right here from it, and solder the new wires, and then change the fuel filter and change a couple little gadgets inside, like this little connect. Oh wow, look at this, dude. Can you guys even see that? Look at that. The fuel pump's falling apart. Like, look at this. This whole thing is just completely like jello. What the no wonder, like that. See, that's like jello. It's just like falling apart. Like I could pick at it. Look at that. Oh man, there's the issue. So it's cheap ass California fuel literally eats through all this shit. Alright, time to replace it. Good thing they supplied a new one. Alright guys, so I got the pump out. You gotta unsolder positive and negative. This little stopper is all gummy, like from ethanol, I guess. So that's probably what's killing these fuel pumps internally. Yeah, just unsolder here and here, solder the new one. I'll probably replace the high pressure line, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Probably just leave it be. I don't think I'm gonna mess with anything else. Yeah, maybe the O-ring right here. There's a little O-ring right there. Might need to replace that. Well, she's all put together. I got that little metal thing on the back, was a pain in the butt. Oh, there she is. Let's go pop it in. Alright, let's see. That was weird. Okay, let's see if she'll start. Let's see if she'll start. She runs. I gotta install the heat shield still. It's just kind of laying right there. But yeah, she runs. Runs okay. So was the fuel pump. I fixed my quad. That was awesome. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. That's all it was. It was a stupid fuel pump, and then this is a heat shield I ordered, so I can install it where it needs to go a little bit later. Kind of exhausted right now, but I'm glad she runs. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I may do a little outro with everything buttoned up, I don't know, and the heat shield installed in this video possibly. But if not, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Alright, I decided to do the heat shield and show it to you guys, and it was a nightmare to get it in there. I got a bolt right there holding it to the frame. Fit perfect. There was already a hole pre-drilled for it. There is not a hole on the other side from the factory, which is fine. It doesn't really line up with anything anyway. And then it's sandwiched between the fuel tank and the frame mount. And then my Polaris has a heat shield right here on the exhaust, and it goes all the way back, which is cool. I know a lot of people have to install that aftermarket, and then it has one right here as well. So yeah, those guys were complaining about that. Not a problem in this 2015. I have them right here. But anyway, I'm gonna wait for my lady to get home and help me button this thing up. I gotta add some distilled water to the coolant, and I think I'm all. After that, I'll be ready to ride. All right, guys, we'll really catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and that sub button for more content. We'll see you later.